Hello guys, we are at the Japan fun, but our driver is Filipino.
Ganda nga ng ano yung window mo, di parang nanonood lang ng sine na. So, ang ganda ng sasakyan.
If some of you watching are Filipino, you must know Vice Ganda. It's from Philippines. I think it's a celebrity. I don't have a mic yet, so I have to keep my phone close so you can hear me.
Pagbukas natin.
Extended monitor.
Artista daw. Para artista ka.
Have you ridden a train? Oh, the trains there are fire. You can sit in transportation. You can see where you go.
Wala.
Ayan,
Parang gusto niyang lumabas pero parang napipigilan siya. Mamaya sarili
Oo.
Ayan.
Ah, naka-screen mirroring pala.
yun. Picturean mo na. Sige. 1, 2, 3.
Huh? Ano na in the kid? Umiiyak ako for 1 hour.
Ang gulo mo yung braso.
Ay, sorry. Ang gulo.
May, diba? Umiiyak na ako almost for 1 hour. Screen mirroring sila. There's screen mirroring.
Ang braso natin ay hindi nalaman.
Litrato. Wala pa rito eh.
Gusto ko panood din yung ano. Naruto.
Ano yung number 1 movie ngayon?
Iba yung number 1 movie dito sa Taiwan.
Ay, nga pala.
Taiwan ba to?
Ay, oo. Naka-isang araw ka na isa.
Isang araw ka na eh. Nasa tundo lang tayo. Oo nga, iba ang ano.
What's up? Dinosaur!
Ay, Jurassic Park.
But this bata ba?
Yun yung bata po. Kaya po
Free.
sa batang
What? I got that.
Freeze.
Charging.
yeah.
Wait, yeah, charging.
Ay, di.
Tatakutin ko po.
Where is it? Bro, why can't the camera see? Right there. We just
Ano na
plug
siya?
in the
Right?
charger.
May cable car pa.
Ilang taon na po kayo na?
33.
Kunti lang. Yung mga 30 pa medyo matagal.
Baka nang bublag ako.
Nag-freeze.
Ay, medyo nag-freeze dito sa likod.
Japanese, Indonesian, Manila. Indonesian. Oh, dinosaur. Since you guys can see it, I'm gonna close the vlog for now. Just wait for a part 2.
Dinosaurs are in our world.
I don't know which
In
part
every
it is.
confrontation, we learn more about the frightening
It was
reality.
Cybertruck. Bye bye.
How did we get here?